Just stripped a Royal Enfield Bullet 500 down. It had a strange bottom end noise. There's a slight bit on the crank. Well, I did find this bearing, all the cages are broken up. That should be living in there, just around this part. And the other thing is, the other opposite side bearing, there's a roller missing. The crank came out fine, there was no part in the engine. Searched everywhere in the engine for it, it's not there. So it was probably assembled without it. The gasket is missing, it was glued together with silicone. So without the gasket on it, was the crank running too tight because of the spacing? I don't know. Still, got new bearings, new crank coming. That'll fix that. Got a gasket, a few gaskets, that's cool. Royal Enfield's motto is built like a gun. I think this one was built like a spud gun.